What's up, everyone? Just a quick video showing you an overview how to replace the radiator on a 2013 Venza with a 2.7 liter. Problem we were having, you can see this coolant is supposed to be a bright pink like that, and you can even see on the bottom of the reservoir you got some oil buildup, but the transmission fluid and the coolant was mixing, causing this milky discoloration, and the heat wasn't working correctly, and the transmission was kind of acting weird as well. Now, I don't think the transmission went bad. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flush everything out once we replace the radiator. You'll see that the coolant lines run through the radiator. Here's the new radiator we got off Rock Auto, I believe. So you can see obviously the transmission fluid runs through the bottom of there. And if there's a crack that happens or some corrosion that happens, that's how you'll get the mixing going on. But to take the radiator out, and we're about at the last step, it's not that difficult. You just have to take out this little radiator core support by disconnecting a bunch of 10 millimeters on the edges, disconnecting the horn wiring, disconnecting the engine, not the engine, the hood latch, which gives you a bunch of room right over here. On the bottom you have two bolts. You have two bolts on top connecting the condenser to the radiator, and then two bolts on the bottom, which I'll show you right over here on the new radiator, right there and right there. Take those two out. I'm just using a long ratcheting wrench and just some random 10 millimeter sockets. Then we disconnected the transmission lines, the two transmission lines right over here, 1 and 2. They came out pretty easily. Just kind of break them loose with pliers, pull them out. We're about to disconnect the upper and the lower radiator hose, and then just lift up. We already disconnected the radiator fan, took out some of the clips to ensure we have enough room to take this off. And yeah, once we take off these two hoses, this radiator should just come right up. Obviously, we're gonna let it drain down there. We have our drain pan set, and then we just pop the new one back in. So it's pretty straightforward. We've been working at this for like 40 minutes so far, if that, kind of figuring it out. So hope this video helps you if you're having the same issue with the coolant and transmission mixing up. And like I said, we didn't have to take off the bumper or anything. It's just pretty straightforward with basic tools. Thanks for watching. If there's any questions or concerns, let me know and I'll give you an update on if this worked or not. Till next time. Peace. Ew.